The work objective for the pre-assemble headphones job is to prepare parts for production. The equipment used includes a work table, a rack, a height-adjustable chair, and a wastebasket. The tool used is an X-Acto knife. The materials used include a box of bands, a box of plastic cases, a plastic case for the headphones, and bands. The personal protective equipment includes floor mats and gloves. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat and air conditioning. The height of the worker observed was 7 feet tall. The work tasks for pre-assembling headphones begins by using the X-Acto knife to cut the tape on the box of bands. Next, they position the box on the work table. Once there, the worker will use the X-Acto knife to cut the tape on the box of plastic cases for the headphones. Next, they will remove the plastic cases from the box and position the plastic cases with headphones on the work table. Then they open the plastic case and get the headband, which they place inside the plastic case. Next, workers will stack the plastic cases. Once they've stacked up the 4 headband cases, they lift and carry those to the rack where they are positioned. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the pre-assembled job. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a medium pace with hands in slow, steady motion or exertion to pre-assemble headphones. Sustained exertions were observed and included continuous standing and continuous neck flexion to pre-assemble the headphones on the workbench. Forceful exertions were required to use the X-Acto knife and to carry or position the cases of pre-assembled headphones. Awkward postures were present and took the form of shoulder abduction and adduction, or elevated upper arms away from the midline of the body, forearm rotation, wrist flexion, or forward bending, and neck flexion while using the X-Acto knife to open boxes, extended reach to get the headband, neck flexion while positioning components into the plastic case, torso flexion and twisting to position plastic cases on the rack. The mechanical or localized contact stress was observed between the forearms, hands, and fingers, and the edges of the headphone box and shipping box. The recommendations for the pre-assemble headphones task include: investigate utilizing an adjustable height and tilt work table that workers can adjust without assistance from maintenance to decrease posture stress and forceful exertions. Consider positioning materials closer to the midline of the body to decrease posture stress. Consider using only the center area of the rack when possible to decrease posture stress.